Because, you know, outside is opening now, so I need a new shit. Hey Earthlings, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elise. If you're new here, you might see something you like, you might want to subscribe. It's completely free. Notifies you when I upload, which is Wednesdays and Fridays. Maybe not every Wednesday, maybe not every Friday, but Wednesday and or Friday. Today's video is a much anticipated Depop haul. Maybe not for you guys, but for me. I've had these packages sitting here for a few days now and I've just wanted to rip into them, but I decided I wanted to do a unboxing. Why I shop from Depop is because it's a more sustainable option. It is everything secondhand and kind of it creates a lower impact on the planet, lower waste, and you know, if I can take someone's trash and make it my treasure, why not? I will do my best to link all the sellers down below. I also do my own listings on Depop, so if you guys want to check it out, it's at @ElisePoire, no underscore. I also just changed my Instagram handle to @ElisePoire, no underscore. So if you guys want to check out what I have on my shop, I actually just did an Instagram live where I showed you guys what I shoot for Depop and how I shoot, and me and my roommate, we kind of did a little thing together. So if you want to check that out, that's on my Instagram, and if you want to check out my Depop, I will have that link down below. If you like it, buy it. Please, your girl could use some coin. Let's just get right on into it. First thing is actually from my roommate, so I didn't get it shipped or anything, but it's this nice spicy red knit top that I think is going to be great for summer because you don't have to wear a bra with it. Normally I kind of stay away from knit tops in the summer, but I don't know why, because they're a lot more lightweight than like I picture them to be in my mind. It's actually like not super tight fitting, but it is a little bit more form fitting, so like I said, you don't have to wear a bra if you're part of the itty bitty titty committee. And you know, it's real cute. I wore it in my last video. I thought it was a moment, so yeah. Now I kind of forgot what's in everything. I think the only thing I remember is what's in the big box. Those I had my eye on and snagged them as soon as I could. This is a super cute package. Hello, I'm what you've been waiting for. Adorable. I also want to mention that in my Depop shop, I use compostable packaging, so you can like put it in your home compost or take it to your composting center and compost it instead of being stuck with like plastic packaging. Oh my god, I know what this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, the other thing about Depop is they make it so personalized whenever you buy something. She gave me fucking sweet tarts. Oh my god, and these are stickers? No fucking way. These are Lisa Frank stickers. Oh my god, that's so adorable. Thanks, Bella. Anyway, this is everything. This is everything. It is a little summer dress. I'm definitely gonna have a try on portion so you guys can see all of this, which you might think, okay, cute, 70s, a vibe, you know, it's definitely screams summer, but wait, there's fucking more. So it is reversible, meaning you get twice as much fun cuteness going on, and I love this striped pattern. I was mostly drawn to the fact that it's reversible. Honestly, it might be a little big. I'm hoping it fits well like when I put it on, but we'll see. I love anything that's reversible. It's also more sustainable because like you wash it less and you wear it more, so there's always that factor. I absolutely adore this and I cannot wait to pair it for things for summer, like with that yellow bag that I got in my thrift haul, which you guys can check that out. That was also a try on haul. No, this is killer. I'm so excited. Don't know what's in here, but I'm excited. Maybe I'll like keep getting little gifts throughout the wait, okay, I know what these are. These are a pair of leather pants from Free People. Now Free People is sustainable, right? But look, they're flared on the bottom, like mega flared, super flared. Like this is everything. This is everything. It's really gonna help me live my 70s dream. It did have the tag attached. Don't know what happened during shipping, but it's gone. And it's like a little bit of an elasticy feel and zips up the side. It has back pockets, no front pockets, which is okay. You don't want to mess with the vibe. But also can't wait to try these on. These are a size 27, so fingers crossed they should fit, because I'm anywhere from like 26 to 28 in that range. 26 if the size is like running big. dear Lord, I'm not normally a 26. I'm super excited. And like I said, these were tags attached. Normally like run for $100. I got them for 70-ish, so amazing. This might be another bundle. It looks like it. I know it's in here. Obviously, like, I ordered everything. So I got a little bit of a trendy top, but I decided, like, if I'm gonna buy trendy, I'm gonna do it secondhand. Obviously, I just cannot see myself buying fast fashion, but when I buy it on Depop, that does mean I'm gonna be spending a little bit more just to get a trendy piece. So I, you know, being the smart cookie I am, decided I'm gonna make it trendy, but for every season. So I got this little tie top, which we know has been all the rage with the girlies. So I think this is going to be great for spring, summer, fall, not winter because it's really lightweight, but I just have been dying to find like a tie top, something that'll go really good just being at the beach, being at like a theme park, just chilling, hanging out, anything. And I think this does it for me. I also adore this green color. Something about it, just like, it does something for my hair and my eyes, kind of helps them pop a little bit. It's from Kimchi Blue, which is a brand from Urban Outfitters that I normally shop and like normally gravitate towards, so it was nice to find on Depop for a little bit cheaper. Also I got a cardigan. I know that's not summer, but guys, look, it's this gray, fluffy, stretchy, woolly button-up cardigan that I just think is so adorable, and I know I'm gonna wear it. I only have one cream cardigan that I wear the absolute fuck out of, so now I can add to my cardigan collection, add to my lounge, stay at home, comfy, you know, wear, because that's just who I am as a person. I love being comfortable. I will choose comfort and function over fashion any day, but I do make it fashion. I'm gonna put it on right now. Oh, it's a size small, but it like fits oversized. But what I actually super adore, oh yeah, is the cuffed sleeves and how they're like cinched in. Oh yeah, this is for me. See, look at me already being excited for like fall and winter, even though it's like not even the middle of June yet. This, I'm pretty sure, is another bundle. Love the pink, you know, super cute. Just really shows you like how much personality is in Depop, like how community based it is, which I really like. And also you can negotiate with people and negotiate deals and bundles and all that jazz. I got another loungewear piece. It is nowhere near that season, but I figured I will wear these pink sweats year round. I wasn't super on the lookout for sweats, but I bought it in a bundle because of like the next piece I'm about to show you. But yeah, these are just stretchy pink Brandy Melville sweats. Like, I've seen so many people wear them. My coworker has them and she loves them, so I decided I need a new pair of sweats. The ones I'm wearing right now, actually, good thing I'm not monetized, but it has a total hole in the butt, so like, yeah, it was time for me to get a new pair. I went with these. They're very structured, actually. They're not like a loosey material, and of course they have pockets. My only thing is I'm gonna have to be very careful to like not stain them, because I'm just messy. Like, truly, honestly, I'm messy, I'm lazy, but I don't know. I have redeeming qualities about myself, I promise. Anywho, but like I said, that's not what I intended to buy from that shop. I actually was on the lookout for a summer dress, so I ended up going with this adorable yellow number. I just love the shape of this. Hopefully it fits me like that. But I love like the kind of like cinched but not cinched, the kind of like tailored cut. It's a little bit of a mini dress with a tiny bit of a slit, but it does have a tiny slip underneath, so it's not like completely see-through, and it gives it a little bit more of like a flatter lay, a flatter structure. I also love that the straps are adjustable and the front bit is adjustable too, so you can, you know, adjust the yitties as needed. And there's a zipper on the side, which I was like, how the fuck am I gonna put that on if there's a zipper? But it's very well hidden. I think this is absolutely adorable. Of course, I can't wait to try it on, see what it looks like on. I think I might also pair this with the yellow purse, but that might be doing a little too much, so maybe not. And my last item. I know it's in here. I am the most excited for this because it is a pair of shoes. Now, I love my shoes. I hang on to them for a very long time. I tend to not let go of them even when it's past the point of no return. You can't clean them anymore. There are holes in the side. The glue is coming apart. So for me to add to my shoe collection is a pretty big deal because I don't do it willy-nilly. I really don't. I'm like a capsule kind of person. But these guys, I've been wanting something like this for like a year. My old roommate has a pair of like black platform sandals. I was like, I need those for summer. They look so comfortable and they go with everything for going out on summer nights, which like I don't really have a lot of good open toe shoes just to go out in, like to enjoy like a day in the park or bar hopping or going to a nice restaurant dinner, something like that. Because you know, outside is opening now, so I need a new shit, okay? Don't get on me. I know this is kind of a lot, but wait, these are so amazing. Okay, these, are you kidding me? They're Jeffrey Campbell platform sandals, which like, who would have thought those words would have been coming out of my mouth? Not me. But they're, look, just, I think they speak for themselves. Would have cried. They're an 8.5, so hopefully they fit me like a glove because I'm between 8 and 9. So I'm really, really hoping that these are like beautiful. They have silver detailing on the side, so like perfect for like a grungy kind of look. But bad bitches can wear silver and gold, you already know. If you want to know, they're handmade Havana last, I guess is the style. Jeffrey Campbell, California, but these haven't even been worn very much. Like, there's a few scuffings on the toe, but like that can definitely be like polished away. But I just love how they're still open-toed, but they're not, okay, they're not really open-toed, but they're still sandals. So they're gonna have some breathability, but like they will cover my feet in the event that I get stepped on or something. I don't know how people are acting nowadays. My god, I'm actually gonna try this on. I can't wait. Oh my god, please fit. This is like, they fucking fit! My foot has never looked sexier. I can't wait to walk around in these. I'm gonna be like half a foot taller. You're fucking kidding me. Oh my god. They're a little tiny bit big. Yeah, and that's just about everything I want in a sandal and more. Well guys, that was the end of this Depop unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If you had as good of a time as I did, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Would really appreciate it. Also leave me a comment, let me know if you guys are in the market for anything new, where you're shopping, what you're getting. Let's talk, let's have a conversation. And that's gonna be all for today. Like I said, I upload on Wednesdays and Fridays, so go ahead and subscribe, make sure you don't miss out. I have a few videos coming up from when I went camping and trying out some tooth tabs, so we got a lot in the works here. But I really appreciate it if you stuck all the way to the end. If you did, go ahead and comment grunge biker, so I feel like that's kind of the vibe today. I love y'all so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.